Hi, this is Joel from Chapman Manufacturing, and I am thrilled to finally show you version 2 of our wood case sets. Really excited about these. Took a very long time to come out with them due to the pandemic, but I think it's worth it. We made several changes to them. The first version had a latch in front, which we replaced with hidden magnetic closure. So there's just little tiny magnets there, there's no latch, and it closes securely. The other thing that we did, which you'll notice, is we have hidden hinges. So they're just little hinges and they're not visible from the back. So it's a much cleaner look. I also talked to a bunch of customers and we came out with little feet on the bottom. That way if you slide the kit on a surface, the bottom of the case won't get scratched. In this version, version 2, every one comes with our new wooden screwdriver handles. It's the same insert as our regular screwdriver handle. It works exactly the same with our tools, but it's a really nice wood grain and it looks great in the set. This version of the set is available with just the handle and the empty case for the people that already purchased the Mighty Master Kit, so they have all the tools, they just want the handle and the case. And it's also available completely full of tools. Now, the last option for you to consider is that we're also offering name engraving on these. So if you want the engraving, we can engrave your name or a friend or family member's name if you're giving it as a gift onto the outside of the case. And we are also going to engrave it on the handle, on the screwdriver handle, with Chapman MFG. So this is a really nice option. It's a really nice personalization feature. It's laser engraved, so it comes out absolutely beautiful. And I think someone would be really excited to have a personalized toolkit. So that's the story with the new wood ones, and thanks a lot. It's Joel from Chapman.